bringing technology and construction together in harmony with man and nature to serve present and future generations. That is our mission. We are Elektroprojekt, a company with 70 years of experience in design, consulting and engineering, covering the areas of energy, water, infrastructure and telecommunications and environmental protection. The nucleus of today's Elektroprojekt was formed in 1945 with the establishment of the Croatian Electrical Engineering Company. In 1946, a group of hydroelectric power plant design experts left the Croatian Electrical Engineering Company to join Hydroelektra, a newly established company for the design and construction of hydroelectric power plants. The first employee was entered into the company registry on the 1st of April 1949, which is the date formally recognized as the day Elektroprojekt was established. The beginning of Elektroprojekt's activity was its engagement on the Vinodol hydroelectric power plant project. A team of Elektroprojekt's engineers and technicians developed the design documentation for the Vinodol and Zavlija hydroelectric power plants. These were the first hydroelectric power plants built in the region after the Second World War. Professor Dr. Mladen Zugaj made an indelible impression in the history of Elektroprojekt as we know it today. He initiated a systematic approach to multi-purpose water and land development utilization and hydraulic modeling. He is also remembered for pioneering a modern teaching approach to water power harnessing, large dams and hydrotechnical systems at the University of Zagreb. Termo Elektroprojekt Zagreb and a substations design group joined Hydroelektroprojekt on the 8th of April 1951, and so the business operations program was expanded to cover the design of all power generation plants and facilities. After jurisdiction in the sector was passed from federal to republic administration level, the government of the People's Republic of Croatia issued a decision on the 6th of February 1952 to rename the company to Elektroprojekt, a company for the design of power generation facilities. In order to improve the design of hydrostructures, Elektroprojekt built its own hydrotechnical laboratory which became operational in 1953. Elektroprojekt entered the global market in 1954 by working on the Zorgai hydroelectric power plant in Myanmar. Since then, its international presence has been continuous and driven by customer demand. In 1957, the company expanded its activities to all types of hydrostructures and nuclear power utilization studies. During its presence over many decades on 4 continents, in 28 countries, from the USA to Mediterranean Africa and the Middle East to New Guinea, the company has always endeavored to meet its clients' requirements. Elektroprojekt encourages accountability to local communities by providing technically reliable, efficient, economical, and environmentally sustainable solutions. 70 years of design challenges and engineering achievements of previous generations serve as an inspiration to the new generation of young people joining Elektroprojekt, who are being expertly trained to assume the role of their predecessors. Elektroprojekt is an engineering company of more than 90% of graduate engineers of different technical backgrounds on its staff, qualified to perform design engineering and consulting tasks. Excellent education and adoption of new technologies are vital for the development of the company. Our employees with master's and doctoral degrees work as professors, lecturers and teaching assistants at the University of Zagreb, Faculty of Civil Engineering, the Faculty of Science, the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Naval Architecture, and at Zagreb University of Applied Sciences.
Zaposlenici su najveća snaga Elektroprojekta, a oni se istovremeno kroz našu poslovnu politiku i projekte mogu realizirati u najbolje stručnjake.
Elektroprojekt provides construction, supervision and site organization services as well as the development of quality assurance and commissioning programs. For operating facilities, it prepares maintenance, repair and reconstruction documentation, develops programs and implements performance measurement and monitoring. The company's products constitute a unique archive containing more than 23,000 design volumes, including design documentation for the majority of hydroelectric and thermal power plants and other facilities built in the Republic of Croatia. Elektroprojekt reaffirms its commitment to excellence by regular recertification in accordance with the standards regulating the areas of quality management, environmental protection, and occupational health and safety. Elektroprojekt has an expert team working continually on the environmental and nature impact assessment of the company's activities, which demonstrates the company's commitment to the sustainability of its design solutions. One of Elektroprojekt's core activities is in power sector development. The company is participating in the design and construction of hydro and thermal power plants, power transmission and distribution facilities, as well as renewable energy sources and the implementation of energy-efficient solutions. Design activities in the water sector include the engineering design of water management, flood control, land irrigation and drainage systems. Elektroprojekt develops designs for infrastructure and telecommunications facilities such as gas lines, district heating systems, water supply, sewerage systems, telecommunication systems, public facilities and traffic infrastructure. Elektroprojekt conducts environmental impact assessment studies for various facilities and projects aimed at conservation of the environment and protected areas. In addition, Elektroprojekt also provides consultancy and monitoring services covering these areas. In the 70 years since the establishment of the company, thousands of design documents have been developed for more than 50 dams and reservoirs, more than 820,000 hectares of irrigation and drainage areas, 114 kilometers of river training structures, more than 100 kilometers of hydrotechnical tunnels, 5 underground and 37 above-ground powerhouses for hydroelectro power plants, 27 thermal power plants with a total capacity of 8,000 megawatts, of which 17 are in Croatia and 10 abroad, water supply systems with a total capacity of approximately 82,000 cubic meters per hour, 37 pumping stations, and an array of other projects in Croatia and abroad. In all the stages of its development, Elektroprojekt has always responded to new challenges recognized by society as important for future generations. Our mission remains the same today, just as relevant, important and inspiring after 70 years in business, bringing technology and construction together in harmony with man and nature to serve present and future generations.